A very good morning to you all. I, Kevin DeCosta, on behalf of all students, wish our dearest teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. A teacher is a word beyond imagination. A teacher is an ocean of knowledge, a builder of nation's future, a friend, philosopher, and guide. Teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a strong believer of education and a well-known diplomat and scholar. After he became the President of India, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he asked them to mark this day to celebrate it to teachers. Thus, due to this and his contribution to academics, his birth anniversary became Teachers' Day. Now, I request Swayam to say a few words.
Good morning, level for the principal, honorable manager, respected teachers, and my fellow Andrians. Today is 5th of September, and on this day, we celebrate Teachers' Day every year with lots of joy, happiness, and enthusiasm. It is also the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and a teacher. He was also a renowned academician of our country, who was also the first vice president and the second president of independent India. After he became the president, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate Teachers' Day. Thus, due to this and his contribution to academics, his birth anniversary became Teachers' Day for us. Today, we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day and give them a hearty tribute for their selfless efforts in making ours and the nation's future bright. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is none other than our teachers. Students across this country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of their society. Further, it is also the teachers who motivate us to do better in life. Thus, it recognizes their efforts to produce excellent artists, doctors, musicians, dancers, engineers, and more. It also encourages the students to pay respect and honor their teachers because they play a major role in making the students what they are. Teachers' Day is great for making them feel appreciated and loved as it does not happen every day due to the busy schedule. Furthermore, this day gives them a much needed break from the busy schedule. As the teachers are always under stress to complete the syllabus on time, this day helps them to relax and enjoy the day which is meant for them to celebrate the greatness and contributions. In this fast paced world, we forget to express gratitude towards one another. Thus, Teachers' Day serves as a perfect opportunity to express gratitude to our beloved teachers present here. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we do today. Your experiences have helped us become wiser for the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Someone has rightly said that teachers are the potters and students are the clay. God bless you, dear teachers, and may you always be successful in all walks of life. Thank you.
Now we have a song.
सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास विश्वास। वो सूरज चांद के उजियारे, मिट गई जीवन अंधियारे, वो रहते हरदम पास विश्वास। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। कृपा तेरी है जो हम पे, भुला पाएंगे हम कैसे। जंग ये जो जीवन की लड़ेंगे तेरे बिन कैसे। अंधेरा जब घना छाए तो सूरज बन के ही आए। मेरे जीवन में आशा की किरण बस तू ही तो लाए। गुरु को मैं करूँ वंदन, तो जीवन बन जाए मधुबन। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे, हो गए सपने सच मेरे, हो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। हिमालय सा है तू ऊंचा, समंदर से भी है गहरा। रूप तो तू है ईश्वर का, तुझसे है ये जग सारा। वो तेरे नाम की माला, करे शीतल हर एक ज्वाला। चांद जैसी शीतल छाया, खींची अद्भुत तूने पाया। सफल हो ये मेरा जीवन, तू मेरे जीवन का दर्पण। वो रहते हरदम पास विश्वास।
Now we'll have a small skit by standard 5th, 6th and 7th.
राजकुमार, कल आपको यह राजमहल छोड़कर गुरुकुल में प्रस्थान करना होगा, और वह आपको एक राजा की तरह नहीं, एक सामान्य व्यक्ति की तरह अपना जीवन व्यतीत करना होगा। और ध्यान रहे, वहाँ आप अपने गुरु की सामान्य आज्ञाओं का पालन करना होगा।
जी पिताजी, मैं सदैव आपकी आज्ञा अनुसार कार्य करूँगा।
हे बालक, तुमने यह धनुर्विद्या कहाँ से सीखी? तुम्हारा गुरु कौन है?
हे गुरुदेव, मेरे गुरु आप ही हैं।
यह कैसे संभव है? मैंने तो तुम्हें कुछ सिखाया ही नहीं।
हे गुरुदेव, मैंने हृदय से आपको अपना गुरु मान के आपकी प्रतिमा को सामने रखकर अभ्यास किया था।
यदि तुमने मुझे गुरु माना है तो तुम्हें गुरु दक्षिणा भी देनी होगी।
अवश्य।
क्या तुम मुझे अपने दाहिने हाथ का अंगूठा काट कर दे सकते हो?
अवश्य गुरुदेव, स्वीकार कीजिए।
मम्मी, स्कूल से मैसेज आया है, आज ऑनलाइन पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग होने वाली है।
ठीक है बेटा, इससे मुझे ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हें स्कूल में क्या क्या पढ़ाया जाता है और तुम्हारे टीचर से भी बात हो जाएगी।
पानी लाओ जल्दी।
हाँ, तो आपने बताया था कि इस महीने से मेरी सैलरी बढ़ा दी गई है।
हाँ।
हाँ, तो मैंने इस खुशी पे एक छोटी सी पार्टी रखी हूँ।
अरे भाई, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
हाँ, मैंने गेस्ट लिस्ट तैयार कर लिए है, आप मुझे 20,000 रुपया दे दीजिए।
ठीक है। ये लो।
सुनो बेटा, कल तुम स्कूल मत जाना, हमें शॉपिंग के लिए जाना है। तो तुम मंडे को एक एप्लीकेशन लिख देना कि मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा था इसलिए मैं नहीं आ पाया, और तुम्हें तो मेरी सिग्नेचर आती है, वहाँ पे लिख देना।
ठीक है मम्मी।
मैं इसके एक्स्ट्रा क्लास के लिए सर ने बुलाया है।
अरे छोड़ ना यार, सर को तो संडे को भी चैन नहीं है। मैं क्लास का बहाना करके मूवी देखने चले जाऊंगा।
मेरी मम्मी को पता चल गया ना तो बहुत मार पड़ेगी।
पता चलेगा तब ना, मुझे तो उनकी सिग्नेचर भी आती है।
क्या हुआ बेटा, तुम्हारा मुंह क्यों उतरा हुआ है? आज तो तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आने वाला था ना, क्या हुआ?
मम्मी, मैं मैथ्स में फेल हो गया।
ये कैसे हुआ? तुम तो सारी क्लास भी अटेंड करते थे। अब मैं तुम्हारे पापा को क्या जवाब दूंगी?
पापा, मैं कल होमवर्क नहीं करके गया था तो टीचर ने मुझे पनिश किया।
हाउ डेयर शी! मैं कल ही जाके स्कूल में कंप्लेन करूंगा, उसे पता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ।
नहीं, आप ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, ये सरासर गलत है। सुनो बेटा, वो तुम्हारी टीचर है, अगर वो होमवर्क ना करने पर तुम्हें पनिश करे तो तुम अपना होमवर्क पूरा करके जाया करो, तो वो तुम्हें पनिश नहीं करेंगे। अपने टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखो और उनका अपमान कभी मत करना।
सॉरी मम्मी, मैं कल से होमवर्क करके जाया करूंगा। मम्मी पापा, मम्मी पापा।
क्या हुआ बेटा?
मम्मी, मुझे बेस्ट स्टूडेंट का अवार्ड मिला है।
वेल डन बेटा।
We are proud of you बेटा। तो देखा आपने, बोया पेड़ बबूल का तो आम कहाँ से खाए। परिवार हमारी प्रथम पाठशाला है। हम जैसे संस्कार अपने बच्चों को देंगे वो वैसे ही कार्य करेंगे, और यदि हमारे बच्चों को हम ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का सम्मान करना नहीं सिखाएंगे तो निश्चय ही वो प्रगतिशील नहीं हो सकेंगे। वो साक्षर तो हो जाएंगे पर सामाजिक तौर पर उनके व्यक्तित्व का विकास होना असंभव है। किसी ने सत्य कहा है, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
We will have a dance by our PTA members.
This Teachers' Day, let us remember the one who taught us how to be a great human being through an effective way of teaching. On this special occasion, we parents and students extend our small effort to appreciate our teachers and honor them to their contribution, not only to us but to the entire society.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
Now we have a song.
सकता हूँ तुझे, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। क्या दे सकता हूँ तुझे, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। शुक्रिया 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 टीचर तेरा, शुक्रिया 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 टीचर तेरा। खुश नसीब हम जिनको तुम्हारे जैसे गुरु मिले हैं। क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता
सकता हूँ, तुझे क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया, 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 शुक्रिया टीचर तेरा, शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया टीचर तेरा.
Now we have a message from our ex-students.
Hello there, I'm Craig Travasso and I graduated from St. Andrews High School in the year 2001. I'm presently a voiceover artist and a communication coach equipping individuals to speak with confidence. When I think of St. Andrews High School, I remember the teachers and the love and encouragement and care that I received from them. I'm so thankful for the opportunities that school gave me to grow in my leadership and my communication skills. You know, I still have with me the sash greenhouse captain. Even though it was 20 years ago, I still have it because it means so much to me. If there's a message I could tell the teachers, it's just one thing: thank you. I mean, we are so grateful, we are so thankful for all that you do on a day-to-day basis, investing in the minds of young India and igniting their creativity. Really, thank you for all you so faithfully do. And students, a message for you: be thankful, be grateful for what you have in school and seize the opportunities that you get to grow in your God-given skills so that you can reach your potential. I am proud to be an Andrian because of the care, the education program, the teachers, the encouragement, the environment, the awesome campus that St. Andrews High School has. My prayer is that the Lord Jesus would continue to bless you all with amazing years ahead. Thank you for this opportunity. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Nigel Ryan D'Souza and I passed out of St. Andrews in 2005. I am currently a pilot with Air India and I fly the Airbus A320 family. My most memorable moments in school would be taking part in all the extracurricular activities that were available, right from theatre to sports to drama, all of it. I was always encouraged to try my hand at every single thing, and I have a whole bunch of certificates, thankfully, to prove it. Message to the present students of St. Andrews is: do not let any opportunity go by. Make sure you try your hand at everything. You may not be good at everything. That doesn't mean that you cannot try it and experience it. It's very important because these years are the formative years of your life, and your experiences here are what are going to shape you as an adult and your worldview. My message for the teachers is to having been an instructor myself, I would like to thank you for all the pains and the trouble you took in teaching us, even though we were a little bit of a rowdy bunch. And I have but one request of you: to make sure that no student is left behind, just like you all did not leave me behind, be it in languages, be it in social studies, be it in the sciences. You all held my hand and helped me become the person I am today. I am proud to be an Andrian, and I will always be proud to be part of this legacy that takes super brats like us and makes them supermen. Have a very happy Teachers' Day. We miss you and we wish you the best.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I am Dr. Vaidik Pachauri from SSC batch 2011. I have completed my MBBS from Government Medical College, Dhule, and currently I am working as a medical officer at JJ Hospital, Mumbai. I remember St. Andrews the most for the influence it had on shaping up my personality and character. The current set of value system I possess can be attributed to St. Andrews High School. The encouragement and the motivation provided by the teachers at every point helped me to grow and reach where I am now. To the current set of students, I would only say, listen to your teachers, aim high, work hard, and make your school proud. And that's the only way to repay. Over years, St. Andrews High School has grown leaps and bounds. And with the recent developments and the sprinkle of sunshine, of course, I am sure it's going to climb greater heights in near future. And that's why I can proudly say that I am proud to be an Andrean.
Good morning. I am Devang Mahendra Gala. I passed St. Andrews in the year of 2000-2001, and currently I am into men's fashion garment business in the name of Telon with my father. And school gives me a lot of memories when you go 20 years back. I love my school for everything, and there is not one memory which I can share, which is a particular memory for which I remember the school. But there are plenty of memories. Some of them, maybe today's Teachers' Day. So when there was Teachers' Day, there used to be a lot of excitement. We used to sit in the auditorium, and it was a great fun to watch all our favorite teachers getting awards by the guests. School, St. Andrews, when the name comes, St. Andrews, it really brings me a lot of pride that I was a part of this school, and this school has shaped me for what I am today. I am thankful to all my teachers and the principal then, William Athayad, who was very strict, again at the same time a very soft-cornered person. And my school will always be a part in my heart. And the message I would like to give to all my teachers and the fellow students who are there in the school is like, take the maximum what you can get from your school in terms of knowledge, in terms of fun. But at the same time, just remember that, this school will always be there to help you out whenever you need. And all the teachers and everybody in the staff is very helpful. So please don't take it the hard way that teachers are strict and school is always about learning. It's not only about learning. It's about learning with fun. And for the teachers, I would always be highly thankful to all my teachers and the current teachers also, who are doing a fantastic job teaching the students and shaping up their futures. I hope they continue the same forever and ever. And most important, be healthy in today's time, and be cautious for all my friends and the teachers.
Hi, my name is Ajinkya Nagkar, and I graduated from St. Andrews High School, Bandra in the year 2007-2008, and I currently work as a freelance director and an executive producer in the industry. The most things that I remember about school is everything from the ground to the staff to my teachers to my friends to the staircases that we've been climbing from the library, everything, to the stages, the performance that we've had. Everything is what I remember of my school. If I have to give any message to my fellow Andrians right now, I would tell them to please pay attention to whatever teachings our school teachers, our coaches, and everyone around the school is trying to give you with, is because these minute details that we receive from our teachers in the form of not only teaching but body language, the energies, the way of looking at life, positivity, and how to treat our fellow students who are there with us, and the whole process of dealing with exams and everything is playing such a crucial role in our growth as we keep growing ahead in our lives. And I will really thank my teachers, and I don't know, I just feel so happy. I miss so much everything about the school that I make it a point to come to school at least once a year or twice a year, because I have so many memories in the school, and my teachers played such an important role, my coaches played in such an important role for my growth in not only my personal life but in my professional life as well. And wherever I am, it just makes me a proud Andrian. It makes me a proud Andrian. I'm so proud to be a student of St. Andrews School, because it's not only an institution that has made so much of difference in my life. It is just the most beautiful place which has nurtured me when I was a little plant to a tree that I'm on my way to become. And I am so happy that the people who watered this plant, which is me, have done it the right way. And I really thank my teachers and my coaches, my staffs, and everyone who are a part of the school. I really admire, and I'm so thankful. So I'm just very happy. Wish you a very happy Teachers Day. And I remember names of all my teachers, but it wouldn't be fair to name all of them. But I just want to say I love you, and I just want to thank you for everything. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Tyron Pereira. I passed out St. Andrews High School in the year 2003. My current profession is I'm employed with ONGC on sports quota. I remember my school mostly for its sports. During my time, I used to play and represent St. Andrews High School in all the possible events, and I really miss those days of donning the St. Andrews school jersey. My message to the current students of St. Andrews is to enjoy your school life, because these times will never come by, and always maintain your discipline. Also, I would like to wish all the teachers of St. Andrews High School a happy Teachers Day, and thank you for all the wonderful hard work you've been doing and dedication put into teaching. And teaching is really a thankless job, so personally I like to thank all of you for the wonderful work you have done. I am proud to be an Andrian because St. Andrews has made me the person I am today, and St. Andrews has given me the opportunity to discover myself as a sports person, and I am really thankful for that. Once again, I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers Day.
5th September is also celebrated as the International Day of Charity, or Mother Teresa Day. The reason for this date was chosen because of the death anniversary of Mother Teresa of Calcutta. I'm sure you all know about Mother Teresa. She devoted her whole life to charity work, looking after the poor, downtrodden, and struck with dreaded skin disease of leprosy. The day is a reminder to us all, those who were and are actively involved in charity works. And this year being a very difficult year for everyone around the world, and especially in our country, we urge you all to do your own acts of charity in simple ways. You do not need to donate just money to the poor. You can donate your clothes, toys, unused items in your homes, etc. to the less fortunate. I request our manager, Reverend Father Clarence Fonseca, to say a few words.
On behalf of the management of St. Andrews School, I wish to thank all our staff members and also our non-teaching staff members for the wonderful work they are doing, especially during the days of the lockdown. This period is especially challenging for all of us because of the present situation we are all facing, and it continues to be challenging, ever more challenging in the future. We have been committed as teachers, and being teachers, we need to really realize our duty of spreading the word to all and really being dedicated to our call to love our students and love our institute. Although we are not attending school or not traveling these days, but still it is all the more challenging because we are at home 24/7, and being at home means we have to face all the duties that a home person does. We wish you, our dear teachers, all the best for the future, since we do not know what good will come out of this challenging experience that we are facing these days. And we request you to stay home and stay safe, and all the best. Have a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Father. Now I request our principal, Reverend Father Majay Murzello, to say a few words.
dear team of teachers, on this day, 5th of September, we remember our teachers in a very special way. In normal times, it is a known fact that teachers are underappreciated. But it is in challenging times that we realize how important teachers are. We realize the importance only when we are in tough situations. I must thank my team of teachers for doing effortlessly and joyfully remote teaching. It is not easy. There is fatigue, there is a lot of demands, and yet you have continued to give the best to our students. It is on this day that I want to say a big thank you from the management, staff, students and parents. I would like to thank Sir Michael and his team, Ma'am Vivette and her team, and Ma'am Giselle and her team for doing a great job being heroes to the students in such times. God bless all of you. A special thanks to Sir Vinod and his team for making this initiative possible. Here I must appreciate two of our ex-students who I always see always ready, always there to help us out, Haider and Ayush. God bless you, God bless your families. Thank you.
It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we have today. Your experiences have helped us become wiser and better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memory, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Someone rightly said that teachers are the potters and students are the clay. God bless you, dear teachers, and may you always be successful in walks of life. Thank you and have a great day.